From the moment I unboxed the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max series, the first thing that grabbed my attention was the stunning color design. After spending some real time with the phones, I was equally impressed by the overall experience and functionality. In this video, we're diving into our hands-on impressions of the Huawei Pura 90 series.
A quick shout to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
Starting with the design and build. The Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max comes in a striking orange ocean finish, while the Huawei Pura 90 Pro features the orange soda color option. When you place both phones side by side, you can instantly see the harmony in Huawei's design approach. The inspiration clearly comes from vacation-style colors, creating a relaxed and refreshing vibe. What separates the two is the way Huawei handled the gradients and finishing details. The Orange Ocean version on the Pro Max blends orange and blue tones together, and Huawei has introduced a new dual-color gradient metal anodizing process for the first time. This creates a smooth, natural transition across the back panel, camera module, and even the frame, while adding a reflective metallic shine that feels incredibly premium in hand. The entire phone feels unified and polished from every angle. Meanwhile, the orange soda finish on the Pro model mixes orange with warm golden tones. It complements the blue-orange theme of the Pro Max perfectly, almost like a matching pair. Compared to the bold personality of the Orange Ocean design, the Pro version feels slightly more subtle and refined. Its matte texture gives it a softer, more comfortable appearance that feels easy on the eyes. Honestly, this generation's design stands out immediately. I even like leaving it on my desk because the color combination looks that good in person. Huawei has also upgraded the Kunlun Glass this year. By combining silicon nitride ceramic composite materials, diamond-like materials, and an industry-first suspended polishing process, the new Kunlun Glass delivers scratch resistance that's claimed to be 16 times stronger in everyday use. So even when you casually place the phone on a desk, scratches are far less of a concern. Drop protection has also improved dramatically, offering 25 times better resistance, while fingerprint resistance is now twice as effective. On top of that, Huawei added anti-reflective gradient materials that reduce screen reflections by up to 70%. When the screen is off, blacks appear deeper and cleaner, and when the screen is on, reflections become far less distracting. In places with complicated lighting, like offices or indoor environments, you no longer need to constantly adjust the screen angle to avoid glare. The viewing experience feels much cleaner and more immersive. Overall, using the phone without a case feels incredibly satisfying. As Huawei's latest flagship imaging device, the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max introduces a massive 200-megapixel ultra-large sensor telephoto camera, bringing major upgrades to both hardware and software. Let's break it down step by step. On the hardware side, the camera setup is packed with impressive specs. The ultra-wide camera uses a 40-megapixel sensor, while the main camera features 50-megapixel resolution paired with a large 1.28-inch sensor and variable aperture technology. But the biggest highlight is definitely the telephoto lens. It packs a huge 200-megapixel sensor, also measuring 1.28 inches, along with a native 96mm focal length. Huawei has also upgraded the second-generation Hongfeng original color lens. The pixel size has increased from 1.75 μm to 2.45 μm, allowing significantly more light intake, nearly 96% more, while color accuracy improves by 43%. Over the past few years, many people have started preferring telephoto cameras over main cameras because telephoto lenses naturally create better framing and often produce more visually appealing images. But there's a major difference between a standard telephoto camera and a high-resolution telephoto camera like this one. In high-resolution mode, the telephoto shots give you much more freedom for secondary cropping and composition. For example, after taking a shot, you can crop further into subjects like people or animals while still maintaining excellent detail. Compared to normal shooting modes, high-resolution telephoto photos preserve more clarity and avoid excessive sharpening after cropping, making the final image look cleaner and more natural. Because the telephoto quality is so strong, using the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max gives you an incredible sense of freedom while composing shots, knowing the results will stay sharp and detailed. This becomes especially useful while traveling. Huawei's powerful 200-megapixel selfie and telephoto capabilities make it easy to create eye-catching travel photos that instantly stand out on social media. Beyond the built-in telephoto system, Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max also supports professional imaging kits. Compared to teleconverters from other brands, Huawei's attachment system feels extremely secure and convenient to connect or remove. Once you pair the 200-megapixel telephoto lens with the teleconverter, the shooting experience reaches another level entirely. We even took the phone on a short zoo trip and captured some incredible close-up shots of animals, especially birds. Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max honestly feels like a dream device for bird photography. With regular telephoto lenses, getting this level of close-up detail and image quality is extremely difficult. Just sharing a few of these shots online was enough to attract tons of attention and engagement. When it comes to shooting features, Huawei has also introduced the brand new X-MAGE selfie function on the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max. This feature completely changes the traditional shooting experience. Instead of manually adjusting everything yourself, you simply open the camera and point it towards the scene you want to capture. The phone automatically suggests relevant shooting options, and with a single tap, it intelligently adjusts settings based on the environment. Powered by AI, the selfie system can automatically switch filters and focal lengths to better match the scene, making photography feel much easier and smarter.
For example, this photo might look like a simple casual snapshot at first glance, but the X-MAGE selfie system actually guides you with focus suggestions and focal length adjustments while shooting. In the exact same environment, following its recommendations can instantly make your photos look far more polished and professional. For users who don't have much photography experience, Huawei's X-MAGE selfie feature feels incredibly beginner-friendly. It makes taking great-looking photos much easier and naturally encourages you to capture more moments in daily life. When shooting portraits, you can also activate AI pose suggestions. The phone displays pose outlines as references, so you no longer have to struggle with awkward posing ideas. Of course, recreating those poses with the rear camera still takes a little practice, but when using the selfie camera, the AI pose guidance feels much more intuitive and convenient. Even better, when you switch props or accessories, the system can automatically recommend matching poses based on the scene. The Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max also introduces personalized color profiles that add more depth and cinematic texture to photos. Combined with the second-generation Red Seal original color lens, users get even more creative freedom with color tuning. Beyond simple color adjustments, you can also customize texture effects like grain and shooting angles. Even within the same filter, multiple built-in style variations are available. By tapping the hollow circle options, you can create entirely different visual moods. And if you find a style you really like, you can save that color profile for quick access later. Huawei has also added a new 3D dynamic photo feature for a faster and more interactive experience. Once dynamic photos are enabled, you can head into the gallery and activate the 3D motion effect. The result feels almost like freezing a moment in time while adding subtle motion depth. Whether it's people, pets, or animals, the feature creates a surprisingly immersive 3D effect that's genuinely fun to use. Now let's talk about the imaging performance of the Huawei Pura 90 Pro. It also comes equipped with second-generation Red Seal imaging, X-MAGE selfie, AI pose recommendations, 3D dynamic photos, and many of the same intelligent shooting tools. On top of that, the Pura 90 Pro supports telephoto macro photography, making it incredibly easy to capture detailed close-up shots. In everyday photography, the phone performs beautifully as well, producing vibrant and attention-grabbing colors. It's obvious that Huawei has made major progress with the imaging system on the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max. The hardware side provides a strong foundation, especially with the 200-megapixel telephoto sensor that gives users much more freedom when composing shots. Meanwhile, the second-generation Red Seal imaging system expands the possibilities for color expression. At the same time, features like X-MAGE selfie and AI pose recommendations completely rethink the shooting experience. Experienced users can push the camera to create incredible results, while beginners can dramatically improve their photo success rate. In many ways, Huawei has raised both the floor and the ceiling of smartphone photography. Moving on to the rest of the experience, the entire Huawei Pura 90 series debuts the new light-sensing boundless theme. This feature allows the phone to detect surrounding light and environmental colors in real time. By long pressing the lock screen, you can instantly capture the current visual atmosphere, and users can also customize the level of immersive light sensing through the settings menu. When it comes to privacy and security, the Huawei Pura 90 series supports Star Shield anti-fraud protection. It can intelligently block suspicious calls, identify fraudulent apps installed on the phone, and even recognize AI face-swapping attempts during active calls. Huawei has also introduced temporary encrypted document sharing, which is a really practical feature. You can set a time limit for shared files, and once the timer expires, the document is automatically deleted. The Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max also brings a new generation of communication optimization technology, helping deliver more stable network performance and stronger call connectivity. For battery life, both models pack large 6,000 mAh batteries. The Pro Max supports 100-watt supercharged fast charging, while the Pro version supports 66-watt charging speeds. As for pricing, the base version of the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max starts at 64.99 yuan in China, which is roughly around £705 in the UK and about $953 in the United States. Overall, the Huawei Pura 90 series delivers major improvements in both design and intelligent imaging features. The 200-megapixel telephoto camera on the Pro Max is especially impressive, offering outstanding image quality along with excellent color reproduction. The photos consistently look fantastic, while the upgraded anti-reflective and scratch-resistant Kunlun Glass improves the overall daily user experience. Screen visibility also feels noticeably better than before. In the end, the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max stands out as a highly capable imaging flagship that also delivers an excellent everyday smartphone experience. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it or found it helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!